Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share our new Flowers and Celebrations collection inspired by David Tutera. We've continued his flower theme. This time we've added stamps and framelits into the mix, and we've included a bonus Thinlit that gives you the ability to make a bonus die-cut flower. And I'm going to talk you through how all of that works. So we have 4 flower SKUs all together with 2 supporting leaf SKUs. You can't forget about the leaves. These are very popular SKUs for us. But this is a general overview of the different kind of flowers that you can make with David Tutera's stamp and framelit celebration line. With these stamps and framelits, this is what you're going to get, but you actually have the capability of making 3 different flowers with what's included. This is your area for stamping. You would cut your framelit, and then again, this is your bonus Thinlit. So you can make your large scale stamp and framelit flower. You can make your large scale Thinlit die cut flower. You can make your small set stamp and framelit flower. You could even layer these on top of each other, so you can see you get quite a bit of options with one set. The collection also includes a dynamic set of fans. These fans are designed to work with the flowers, but I did want to point out, look at this die cut. We've actually included this bonus little die, so you're able to make 3 different fan sizes from one SKU. You can make this tiny little fan, this medium-sized fan, or this large 12-inch fan. So it really is a lot of value. Let me show you how these work with the flowers. All you would simply do is layer one of the flower embellishments right on top of the fan, and you can see how you have a perfectly completed celebrations look. So many different options to mix and match with this collection, from large flowers to small flowers, small fans to large fans. It's a great overall collection for any celebration by David Tutera.